Creating reference geometry. We are going to construct a plane tangent to a face at a point. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our round. So I pick the round. Next, I have to click on a point. So I'm going to come over here and click on this point right here. I pick on this point. It creates that plane. I say OK. You'll notice now I have this plane here, and it is tangent to that face at that particular point. And I'll actually make this a little bigger so you can maybe see that, right? And so this is a plane tangent to a face at a point.